Alright everybody, in today's video we are going to cover Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and, as an added bonus, Forms. So, first things first, Google Docs. So you can get here by just Googling uh, Google Docs. So what Google Docs is it's pretty much a free version of uh, Microsoft Office, which is always good. Free, that is. So, you just probably click this first link right here. It says Google Docs. It'll take us to this page right here. We'll see we have tab Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. So, Docs. It says with Google Docs, you can write, edit, and collaborate wherever you are for free. Woo! Alright, so let's scroll down and see what this is all about. So, more than letters and words, Google Docs brings your documents to life with smart editing and styling tools to help you easily format text and paragraphs. Choose from thousands of fonts, add links, images, drawings, and tables, all for free. Alright, we see over here, this is a demo of it, somebody typing. So get your documents anywhere, anytime. So you can access, create, and edit your documents wherever you go from your phone, tablet, or computer. Just like Google Drive, you can download an app for your phone or your tablet, and you will, you can type it or type stuff up or look at it or whatever from your mobile devices. So do more together with Google Docs. Everyone can work together in the same document at the same time. So this is kind of cool. So you can be typing something and somebody else on another computer can be editing the same document as you at the same time. You can use that with students. They can be, I guess, kind of working on the same paper at the same time. So right here it says share with anyone. Let's click on that. So share with anyone. Click share and let anyone, friends, classmates, co-workers, family, view, comment on, or edit your document. So you just invite people and share it. Edit in real time. So we see right here, this is like a little demo going. Whatever your name is for Google, your Google account, that'll be what it looks like. So it says edit in real time. When someone is editing your document, you can see their cursor as they make changes or highlight text. So let's go chat and comment. So it says, when do you think you have edits done? Maybe by 2. So chat with others directly inside any document or add a comment with the plus symbol, their email address, and they'll get a notification. So another feature is never hit save again. All your changes are automatically saved as you type. You can even use revision history to see old versions of the same document sorted by date and who made the changes. So this is really good if you'd like to see who's done what work for your students, I guess. You can check and see who's kind of pulling their weight, I guess. Works with Word, so you can edit and open and edit Microsoft Word files. You can convert a Word document to a Google Doc and vice versa, and don't have to worry about buying software again. Winky face. Alright, offline, no problem. So it says you can get your documents from wherever you are, even without a signal. Simply enable offline editing. We'll click on that real quick to work in your browser, pin files on your mobile device. So access your files online. So so if you're in Chrome, you turn on offline access. I do believe that is here, I think. Let me find it real quick for you. My mistake. Alright, so it says right here you just once you're signed in to Google Chrome and you visit Docs, Sheets, or Slides, offline access will automatically be turned on. So let's say you are working on a document and your internet cuts off for some reason. Well, you can keep on working, so that's good. And do more with add-ons. Take your Docs experience even further with add-ons. And it says try every label merge to create and print labels and name tags. So let's look at this real quick. So they're just little add-ons, plugins you can download that'll go with, Google Docs. So this Avery label merge, for instance, it says easily merge Google spreadsheet data into Avery address labels and name badges. So you can type in a whole bunch of info and it'll in a spreadsheet and it will turn it into labels and name badges for you. Alright, so get started now. So we're going to click on this blue button that says Get Google Docs. So it gives you three options. Go to Docs, get Docs for Android, get Docs for iPhone and iPad. We're on a computer, so we're going to choose the first one. Alright, welcome to Google Docs. Quickly create new documents and open existing ones, share others to edit together. Alright, so you can take a tour if you want. Let's just click on it. Alright, so it says start a new document by clicking the plus, create new document button. You can invite others to view, comment on, or edit the document at any time. So this plus right here, let's click on it. And we see we have a blank, untitled document. So I can type whatever. Got spell check, that's cool. So let's type in food. It's not recognizing it. So let's see what we got going on here. So up here in the top where it says untitled document, you click on that, you can rename it. So see it change it. We can star it. You should be familiar with stars. It's just a way to prioritize stuff. We can move to folder. Alright, you notice that this is your My Drive that we set up earlier, your Google Drive, so we can put that somewhere and so it saved it there. Alright, so up here, this toolbar, we have File. So if we click Share, we can choose people. So this is just like the other Google stuff we looked at. We can choose people to share this with. There's their email address. You choose if they edit, can comment, can view. Remember, if they can comment, they can leave comments. They can view. They can only look at the document. But if they can edit, then that means they can make changes to it. If you click on Get Shareable Link, that will give you this link right here. And you can copy and paste that in emails or text or whatever and share it with other people. They can just access it and it'll take them to your document. You can add notes, and then we can go to advanced here. And it's just more about sharing. Send a copy to yourself, or paste the item itself in the email. And then when you're ready, you can send it. I'm going to cancel. Done. Alright, we also have new. So you can do a document, spreadsheet, presentation, form, or drawing. Open. So click on that. It will take us to our Drive or Google Drive, and so we see that there's our doc. If you double click that, we can open it, and it'll open up a new tab with our document in it. And you notice it said that when we open it up, we notice this is that I typed this, so you can see exactly who typed what. Alright, we have rename, that just retype, gives the new title. We make a copy of your document, you can move it to a folder, we can trash it, you can see revision history. So we just started, so this is the first revision. You see, I hope you can see it. It says my name and it has a little green box right here, and you notice the text that I typed is in green, so you can see who's typed what. Easier like that. Alright, we have email collaborators, so if we click on that, it says there are currently no collaborators, but you can add people to share with you. So if you have multiple people working on this and you click on add email collaborators, it'll just have all the email addresses of the people that you worked with, like right there. So language, if English is not your primary language, You can choose a different one. So download as. So when you're finished, you can save this as a Microsoft Word document, an open document format that is for OpenOffice, a rich text format that can be opened by I think everything, a PDF, a regular text file, or a web page. Let's see what publish to the web does. Publish to the web. This is make your content visible to anyone by publishing it to the web. You can link to or embed your document. So, like a website. We can email collaborators, or we can email this as an attachment. So if you click that, it'll just get our email up and have it this document already attached. So edit, we have undo and redo. So if we click undo, you notice it's undoing what I typed here. If we type redo, Control Y, it it doesn't undo to my undo, I guess you could say. Alright, we have cut, copy, paste, so you should know what that does. If you left click and highlight stuff, you can right click and do cut. Pardon the interruption. Copy and pasting requires the free Google Drive web app. This lets us access your clipboard so you can cut, copy, and paste. So you install the Google Drive app. I'm not going to do that right now, but actually I will, just so you can see it. Alright, so let's cut, install the Google Drive app. Alright, and so if you're on Chrome, you just click this button right here, add to Chrome, and click add. Alright, now the app got added. Now I think we should be able to cut, copy, and paste. Gives us a little. Let's see. Alright, so Control C. Control X will cut. Control V will paste. Control A will highlight everything. Control C will copy. Remember, Control V is paste. Web clipboard, nothing to copy. Find and replace. So if you want to find the word ASDF, so it found all the occurrences, and we can replace that. And you can also do match case. So what match case means is, let's say there's an uppercase letter. Notice how it's ASDA, which is the same except for, oops, or let's say capital F, which is the same letter, but it's capitalized, so it's different. That's what match case means. And if we do replace with, we'll say that. If you do replace, it'll only replace the first word. We'll go to the next occurrence it finds. If you replace all, it'll just do it all at once. Boom. Alright, so insert. We can just insert images. You can take a snapshot from your web camera if you have one. You can paste an image's URL. You can freeze your computer. You can click this and it'll take you to your computer and just insert something. We have links, equation, drawing, tables. So if we do that, we make a table. A link, that's just a website. So I would say this is my link. You have an HTTP. So now that link right there, click on it. That'll take us to wherever we linked it to. Alright, we can leave equation. That's if you're doing math stuff. You'd actually type in an equation. drawing. Actually, draw underlay shapes. So comments. So there can be comments left. Resolve. So what resolve would do is, let's say I insert a comment that said, there we go. So let's say, let's say right here for this text right here, I could insert a comment. Let's say this needs to be changed. So let's say I leave that comment right here. So it's highlighted. You click on the comment and it shows what it highlights even more. So let's say somebody replies and says, what needs to be changed? And then if you'd like, you can spawn again, say delete the second one. So you see that? Somebody says this. And whomever can be like, okay, well, that's good. I don't have a problem with this anymore, so my problem is resolved. You can also edit and delete comments. So if I click resolve, that's good. Alright, so page number, you can choose to add them, different styles. Page count, just one. So format, we have our bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, subscript. So we should all know what that does. Just font formatting. Paragraph style. If we do clear formatting, that'll get rid of all the stuff we just did. Maybe I highlight first. So tools, spelling, that is just spell check. There's no sense in this word, but if it was close to a real word, it would give us suggestions. Change it. Word count, shows how many words we got with and without spaces. That's pretty neat. So let's see what research does. Related topics. Begin by searching for any topic. We document or try one of these searches. So let's say food. And look at that. So it's a way to do research. It's like a little internet browser on the side right there. Make things convenient. Alright, so we have a table thing, or tab, and so we can just make tables. Add-ons, there are add-ons out here to help with things, or to add functionality. So all changes saved in Drive. So that's saved up. So that is Docs.